Hey, CFG Challengers, Jocelyn here, Generation Nutrition. A cool new feature of this year's challenge is the sample meal plans that you got connected with your app. If you notice on the plan, it gives ranges for the servings. And I just wanted to make a quick note on this to make sure that you're using it appropriately. So if you're female looking to lose weight, go on the low end of that range. If you're female looking to maintain weight, hit that middle range. If you're a male looking to lose weight, go to that middle range as well. And males looking to maintain weight, you can go on to the high end. Remember, this is just one tool. You can sub things in and out of this meal plan. For example, if you don't like one of the vegetables, you could sub in another vegetable, or you can mix and match meals. So say on week 1 Monday, you want to do the breakfast from week 3 Thursday. Totally fine to do. Really, this is just to give you an idea of what balanced meals can look like. If you're interested in the individual meal plan, that's for after the challenge, when we can dial into you and your specific needs, and we can give you individualized meal plans based on your age, your gender, your activity level, and that will really help you dial in your specific needs. But we can talk about that post 28-day challenge. Questions? Just ask. Remember, we're doing all of our communications through the HSN app. Keep up the good work.